It is my pleasure to welcome everyone as we celebrate the conclusion of our $450 million investment, and we celebrate that with the revitalization of Appliance Park and the new jobs that have been created here in Louisville, Kentucky.
This investment positions GE Appliances to become the #1 dishwasher and manufacturing plant in America. Since 2016 alone, we've invested more than $2 billion in American operations. Over $800 million of that has been spent right here in our great state of Kentucky.
Folks, a $450 million investment doesn't come around very often. Today, being here is the reality. GE Appliance success is a part of a new era of prosperity that's going to reach every part of Kentucky.
Each job represents a person, a family, 1,000 jobs created, and right here because of this GE Appliances investment.
Today I can say that together we're building and we're bringing back American manufacturing. This is who we are here at GE Appliances. We are truly reinventing what this company is. We dream bigger, innovate better, and help serve this community greater than we ever have before.